Welcome, Yogi, to this quick strength practice. This practice can be done by itself or as part of a longer asana practice. You don't need any props for this session. We're going to get going straight away and begin today in plank pose. In fact, forearm plank pose. So if you'd like to come to your mat, in forearm plank, you can put your hands together or you can have them a shoulder distance apart. That's up to you and how comfortable your shoulders are. I'm going to place my hands together today. Your modification for this, you may start with the knees down, hips nice and low, or you can lift your your knees up so that you're in a full forearm plank. Push into the ground. We're holding here for 10. Heels back, crown forwards, 9. Lift up the belly a little, 8. Keep breathing, 7. 6. Relax any tension from your face. 5. If you need to pop the knees down, you can. 4. 3. Stay strong, Yogi. 2 and 1. Lower your knees down. Come up to your hands. Cross your legs or put your feet out to the side and come to lying down on your back. Coming into another core strengthener straight away. Get yourself comfortable on your back. We're going to bring the right knee in towards the chest and stretch your left leg out. Hover the left leg just above the ground. Palms facing the sky, lift your chest up, low back connecting to the earth, and keep pulling this right knee as close in towards your chest as you can. Keep holding there, 9, 8, 7, try your best to breathe, 6, 5, point through all your toes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, Yogi. Switch to your other side. Left knee in, right leg hovers, 10. Low back down, 9, 8, 7, point your toes, heel towards your bum, 5, knee into your chest, 4, chest as high as you can, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, rest. Pop your feet down, knees bent, and let both knees go over to the side. Let your arms rest on the ground, 5, 4, deep breaths, 3, 2, 1, over to the other side. Knees to the left. Just a little bit of a rest here. Relax your shoulders. Breathe into your belly. Relax those muscles that we're just working. And we'll come into another abdominal strengthener. Bring your hips back up to center, knees to center. And now bend your knees to 90 degrees. We're going to do a half yogi bicycle, so we'll focus on one side for 5 rounds and then to the other side. Rest your hands by the side of your head, fingertips just touching your head, but don't use your hands to lift your head up, just rest them there. Elbows nice and wide. We're going to roll your chest up and bring your right shoulder towards your left knee. Keep your left knee where it is rather than bringing it into your chest. And at the same time, hover your right foot above the ground. That's 1. Back to center with the chest, right knee in. Exhale. Right shoulder towards left knee, into center. 3, across, right leg straightens out and bends. And 2, exhale up, inhale to center. And 1. And to center, to the other side, left shoulder to right knee, left leg extends to center. 4. Good, exhale, 3, bring it across. And 2. To center. Last one, Yogi. And to center. Well done. Bend your knees a bit more. Place your heels on the ground close to your bum. Hands by your sides. Lift your hips up. Squeeze into your glutes and push through all 4 corners of both feet. Just resting here across the upper back. Keep your head neutral. Maybe even close your eyes. We'll hold here just for a couple of breaths, stretching out the front of your body, but also strengthening the back side. Well done, Yogi. Lower down. Nice and easy. Roll yourself up to a seat. You can cross your legs or put your feet out to the side. And we're going to step our way back to a plank. Plant your right hand. And we're going to do a knee plank or side plank. So right knee to the ground is your modification. Inner left foot to the earth, left hand to the sky. If you're comfortable with a side plank, you can stack your feet on top of one another. So outer right foot to the earth, Nice and strong and straight through your body. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core, and push through your right hand. Grip your right hand nice and strong. You're nearly there. I'm counting inside, I promise. 7, 6, 5. Keep your hips up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch over to the other side, to the left hand, an outer left foot or left knee, if that's your practice today. So knee side plank, or stack your feet right on top of left. It helps to flex both feet like crazy, especially in this case, the right foot, if you're in a full plank. 8, keep your hips up. 7, engage glutes and core. 6, use all of your left hand. 5, 4, keep pushing and breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Down to the ground with both hands. And back to your forearm plank, back to the beginning. Hands can be together or a shoulder distance. Get your hips in a line with the shoulders and heels. Firm the belly. Push into the ground to protract the shoulders. Feel like you're lengthening through your crown and your heels. Continue to breathe. You're doing great, Yogi. 5, 4, 3, just a couple more breaths. 2, and 1. Lower your knees down. Come back to the hands. Bring your feet in, cross, and lie down again. Back to your back. Once you get down there, straight into your core strengthener. Hands rest by the sides. This time we'll do the other side first. So left knee in towards your chest, right leg hovers just above the ground, nice and low. Point all your toes, roll your chest up, get your low back towards the earth, navel down towards the spine. 10. Hug that knee in as close to your chest as you can. Breathe. 7, and 6, 5. If you need to take a break, you can. 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Switch your sides, yogis. Right knee in, left leg hovers. 10. Bring that knee towards your chest. 9. Chest up nice and high. 8. Low back down. 7. Heel towards your bum. 6. And 5. 4. 3. Use your hands to reach. 2. Stay in it till the end. 1. And relax. Well done, Yogi. Heels down, feet down, knees are over to the left, please. Relax a moment. Switch your knees over to the other side. Just a gentle twist. We come back up, back into your half yogi bicycle. So low back towards the ground, knees up at a 90-degree bend in the hips and the knees. And remember, it's more about bringing your chest towards your knees than it is about bringing your knees to your chest in this. Hands rest slightly by the side of the head. We'll bring our left shoulder towards the right knee for a start. Left leg hovers. Inhale, back to the center. Keep your chest lifted. Exhale, left shoulder crosses. Inhale to center. Just 3 more of these, nice and controlled. Inhale, center. And 2. And back to center. Last one. To center, straight to the other side. Right shoulder across to the middle. And cross. So the right leg is the one moving in and out, hovering above the earth, nice and strong. Left leg staying static as it is. Cross it across. Good job. Back to center. Heels down, toes down. Hands by your sides. Lift your hips up. Engage into the glutes. Breathe into your belly for a couple of rounds. In your bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Tailbone towards the knees. One more full breath here, please, Yogi. Lower down, last little bit, coming up to your seat. You can cross your ankles or you can put your feet to the side. Come on over. Remember your knee plank or full side plank, whichever is best for your body. When you're ready, make your way in while holding once again for 10. Hips are up. 9. Use all of your right hand. 8. 7. Remember to breathe. 6. Flex both feet if you're in a full side plank. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1 last one. Over to your left side. Grip your fingers. Make a solid base. You can have your left knee down if you like. Right hand up to the sky. A little lift. Woo, up through the hips. 10. Flex your feet. 9. 8. 7. Try to maintain a steady breath. 6. Hold on to it if you can. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Well done, Yogi. Come back down carefully to your hands and to your knees. We'll take one stretch out here in puppy pose. Wiggle your knees back a little bit. Walk your hands forwards towards the outer edges of your mat. Let your forehead, chin or chest start to find the earth. And breathe here, stretching the upper back, the arms, the belly. Breathe into your belly. Walk your hands back, draw your navel up. Undo that stretch and come to your comfortable seat. If you have a little time, I recommend perhaps a few minutes stretching out in Shavasana. You can continue your yoga practice from here, or you can join me in taking a few full breaths to complete our practice. Let your hands rest, palms facing up on your thighs. Sit up tall and close down your eyes. Breathe into your belly, into your ribs, up into your chest, and slowly out. 2 more of those, please. Deep breath in, nice and slow and steady. Relax your shoulders. Feel your breath slowing down. Feel your body calming down. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Bring your hands to a prayer position. Rest them there in Namaskar. Thank yourself for coming to your mat and for all of your efforts. Complete this practice with a full breath in and long breath out. Thank you for your practice, Yogi. Namaste.